Hello friends! Today let us see how to make Sukya Sungtachi Kismoor or Goan style dry prawns kismur. Using mortar and pestle, crush some tephra or Sichuan pepper. Keep it aside. Heat a frying pan and add oil. After oil gets heated, add dry prawns or shrimps. Roast till the dry shrimps are aromatic and changes color. Remove the head of the dry shrimp before roasting. You can even cut the dry shrimp into small pieces. Keep it aside. Again, add some oil in the frying pan. After oil gets heated, add onion and saute till onion turns pinkish. Add finely chopped ginger, mix well and saute. Add crushed tephra and mix well. Add freshly grated coconut. Mix and stir nicely. Let grated coconut turn brownish. Add the roasted dry prawns and mix nicely. Add turmeric powder and red chili powder and mix well. Add some salt. Mix well. Dry prawns kismur is a Goan traditional recipe. Kismur means mixing everything together. Add some tamarind pulp and mix well. See the description to know how to make tamarind pulp. Mix nicely. This dry prawns kismur tastes tangy and spicy. Goan style Sukya Sungtachi Kismoor is ready. Serve it with Goan fish curry and rice. If you like the recipe, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.